So what is the real driver behind the gold move? I mean, is it the fear or the central banks are buying gold and hence gold is moving up? What is your stance on gold and silver?
See, gold is a very interesting story when it comes to India. And I always am fascinated with gold and the behavior Indians have towards gold. That when you look at gold, it's a commodity, it's driven by demand and supply. Actually, gold has no industrial use. Silver has, right? Technically speaking, if I say this, people will shout at me, but gold is a useless metal.
I want to learn about the Korean culture. I mean, Korea is speaking at my home just in the context of K-dramas. My daughter loves that.
Yeah.
But you see the real
Yes.
Korean culture, and
Korean.
you've seen, yeah, half Korean now, and you've seen and you know the Indian culture. So how is it different, and what can we learn from them, and what is better in our culture?
It is incredible how similar we are.
You were somebody who were working right with the NFDs at a very starting level, and then you ended up becoming national head and then a CEO and now a vice chairman. I mean, I've been told that there are only 7 vice chairmen in Mirae, which is like a $650 billion asset manager, and you are the first Indian to become a vice chairman there.
When I got a message from our ambassador from Korea, congratulations, then I understood the enormity of it. At the end of the day, nothing changes at the work front. Yeah. But at one point of time, Fine Plus went up to a premium of 20.3% because global investing is stopped in India. Yeah. And we wrote out a message saying that it's trading at premium, don't buy. The reply from the young Indian said, okay, inform us that it's trading at premium. Who are you to tell us not to buy? And that's when I got the message, right? That there are enough people who have knowledge of this. And the only thing that probably I thought at the beginning of my life was, I definitely know I'm not the smartest person on earth, but I can guarantee anybody I can work harder than anybody in this market. My professor had told me, change is the only constant, but then he had added, there is a possibility that the word change might change. Right? It is that bad. We say, Mera Bharat Mahan. They will say, make America great. It's nothing wrong. But it's a business of trust. I can fool you once. If I fool you the second time, it's not my fault. But people don't give you a second time in our industry because it's money. And nobody forgives you on money. Absolute clarity on what they will do. There's just two answers. Either it's a yes or a no. We come to your boss, between me and my boss. If the discussion is 5 minutes, it's not happening. When any decision, if the discussion is more than 5 minutes, means something is wrong. But we Indians are maybe. 12 महीने है ना, कुछ कर लेंगे, don't worry. But how do you become yes, no? It simplifies everything. I always give everybody a homework. उस दिन का stock price या उस दिन का NAV आप लिख के रखो. And after 2 years, go and visit that. After 3 years, visit that. Then you will realize not having sold that is the right theory. Everybody learns. I mean, when I started my career, I was this brash market timer. हम लोग को लग रहा था कि म्यूचुअल फंड में काम करते हैं तो सब कुछ जानते हैं. फिर धीरे धीरे पता चला कि बाजार सब जानता है, हम कुछ नहीं जानते.